Next topic is minors and cofactors. So for now, given a determinant, okay, so these numbers are given in determinant form. We need to find minors for each term or each number, right? So let's start with this. So it's same as finding determinant, okay, but we need to find minor for each and every term. So minor for this first term, that is 2, okay, let me write it here, minor of 2. So what we are doing, whenever we are finding minor of this 2, we have to forget about the same line and same column, okay, and take the remaining numbers or remaining terms. So just assume that this same column and same row doesn't exist, so remaining are 3, 2, 5, 4, and then we have to find determinant of remaining terms. That will be minor of that particular term. So in this case it will be minor of 2. So minor of 2 will be 3 into 4 minus 5 into 2. This will be minus 10, 12 minus 10, which is equals to 2. So minor of 2 is 2. Next, minor of 3. So again, same procedure. Whenever you are considering this, forget about same row, same column and take the remaining terms. So forget about the same row, same column, remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and then find determinant of that. So it will be 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So it will be 4 minus 6, which is equals to minus 2. So minor of 3 is minus 2. Similarly, for the next term, 4. So minor of 4. Again, forget about the same column, same row and take the remaining term. So what we have is 1, 3, 3, 5. 1, 3, 3, 5. Now find determinant of this. So it will be 1 into 5 minus 3 into 3. So 5 minus 9, which is equals to minus 4. So minor of 4 is nothing but minus 4. Now next one, minor of 1. So minor of 1. Okay. So again same thing, when you are considering this, forget about the same column, same row, take the remaining term. So you have to eliminate this and this, so remaining are 3, 4, 5, 4. Remaining are 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay. Again same thing, 3 into 4 minus 5 into 4. So this will be 3 into 4 minus 5 into 4. So 12 minus 20, which is equals to minus 8. So minor of 1 is minus 8. Then minor for 3. So minor of 3. Okay. So now we are considering this 3. So forget about the same row, same column, remaining are 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay. So this will be 2, 4, 3, 4. Again same procedure, 2 into 4 minus 3 into 4. So this will be 8 minus 12, which is equals to minus 4. Then next number, minor for 2. So minor for 2. We are considering this term. So same row, same column. Remaining are 2, 3, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 3, 5. Now multiply again. 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3. This will be 10 minus 9, which is equals to 1. Okay. Yeah. Then last row is remaining. Third row is remaining. So again minor of 3, then 5 and 4. So minor of 3. Okay. So we are considering this 3. So eliminate same row, So the same column, same row, remaining is 3, 4, 3, 2. Remaining is 3, 4, 3, 2. So this will be 3 into 2 minus 3 into 4. So 6 minus 12, which is equals to minus 6. Then minor of 5, minor of 5. Again we are considering this term, so forget about the same column, same row, remaining is 2, 4, 1, 2. Right? Remaining is 2, 4, 1, 2. We are considering this, so remaining is 2, 4, 1, 2. 2, 4, 1, 2. Okay. So 2 into 2 minus 4 into 1. So it will be 4 minus 4, which is equals to 0. Then last one is minor of 4. So we are considering same. Sorry, we have to eliminate same row, same column. So remaining are 2, 3, 1, 3. Okay. So minor of 4. We have 2, 3, 1, 3. This will be 2 into 3 minus 1 into 3. So 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3. Okay. So these are the minors of each and every term.